Hello guys! This episode we're going to cook ground pork stir-fried pickled lamb beans. First, you will need a clean dry big jar and prepare fresh rice washed water, the water you use to rinse off your rice. Then we're going to add 20 to 30 each of Sichuan peppercorns, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix the pickling water very well and add the clean lamb beans in there. If you need more rice water to be able to cover the beans, you can add a little bit more just like I do. Now let's ferment it for at least 4 days. After 4 days, our pickled lamb beans color already turned from green to yellow, which means it is ready. This dish took me 5 days to prepare, mostly because I picked these lamb beans myself. It is a very easy and simple and requires zero technique, and it is good for any other vegetable you like. Here I prepare some shredded ginger, garlic, chopped scallions, and dry red chilies. Next step, let's cut the lamb beans to small cubes. Alrighty, for the marinating the ground pork, I already listed out all the ingredients you will need in the left side of the video. Add them all in the pork and mix it very well. Let's marinate it for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. Now let's heat up the pan and add the cooking oil. We will need to use medium to high heat the whole time. Once the cooking oil is heated up, add the ginger, garlic, scallions, and dry red chilies. Fry the aroma out. Then we're gonna add the marinated pork in the pan and fry the hell out of it. When the pork looks like it's almost done, add 1 tablespoon of peach and spicy bean paste to lift up the flavor. Once it's cooked, take them out. And we're going to separately fry the pickled lamb beans, just to get rid of the extra water in there so that the dish will not be watery in the end. Now we're gonna put the pork back and give a few good stir fry with the high heat. And then this dish is done. Oh boy, I've been waiting for a bite of this for so long. What do you think? I think that's the first time I cooked this, huh?
Is that like pickled vegetables in there?
Yeah, I pickled the lamb beans.
It's really good.
They're really hard to find in the Asian market here. Now that I sold in the 99 Ranch Market, I just got it. And I pickled it for 4 days.
And the flavor combination is really nice.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.